Hey guys, welcome to the video. I'm recording this one off my phone because you know what? I'd rather record it off my phone. Plus, I could show you what we're doing. We actually are unboxing a little something I got in the mail today. Show you guys what it is, and kind of show you what's inside of it. I haven't seen it yet. I haven't opened the box yet, and we're gonna see this together. Stay tuned. Boom, so here it is, the GOXLR. I got the Mini, okay? Let me open this up. Let's see what the contents are. Okay, there is a piece of tape right there, so that's pretty sick. Hold on a second. All right, here we go. Cutting it open, cutting her open. There we go. Okay, boys. Okay, let's see. I decided to pick this up because I was having issues with my older mixer here thingy. I don't even know what the heck that is, a Behringer Q502. So I decided to go with something a little bit, so apparently it has to be good. I don't know, we'll see. I'll definitely be doing a review on how this is once I get it. I'm trying to do this with one hand is kind of difficult. So we got some foam here, right? And comes with the actual product itself, which is kind of heavier than I expected. Okay, boom. All right, and then the cable. This is the cable. So I did a little bit of research on this. It comes with a cable. It plugs directly into the PC itself. So it will directly go into there instead of having to have power. So that's a pretty cool thing. And we're gonna peel this stuff off. Here's the instruction manual. It comes with an instruction manual as well. So let's go ahead and peel this off, boys and girls. All right, so we cut into it, and here's what it looks like. Boom, here it is. All right, at first glance, it looks pretty cool. Kind of a glossier end here. There's a plastic piece here. Remove protective film. I've watched some people do this before. You just take this off. It's just snap right off. Pretty easily, actually. Not incredibly easily, but like easily enough to be able to do this. All right, so please remove protective film. Start from the corner, maybe? Okay. This is some people's favorite part because of the satisfaction. All right. Here we go. Oh, baby, baby, baby. Look at that. That looks fresh. I'm going to pop these back on. I'm going to plug it into the computer and show you what it looks like once it's plugged in. Plugged in. So this is what it looks like stock coming out of the box. These knobs are pretty heavy, actually, so that's pretty nice. They got a little bit of weight to them, so it feels good. This is the cussing thing. This is the mute thing. I don't have anything plugged in. I don't have the actual software downloaded yet, but at initial glance, it looks fantastic. And I'll do a full review on this once I play around with it, mess with it a little bit, and give it a shot. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe for more unboxings. I got a lot more stuff coming in the mail, guys. And hit the thumbs up if you enjoyed it. All right, man. Hey, guys, listen, really trying to grow this YouTube channel. It's tougher than it looks, man. Tougher than it looks. Hope to see you guys in the next one. Okay, bye.